For today's video, we are going to build an automatic alcohol dispenser using PIR sensor. So sit back and enjoy watching. These are the materials that we are going to use. Some 3D printed parts, a plastic container, clear hose, mini water pump, mini auto PIR sensor, power supply, some solder, cutter, soldering iron, and zip tie. This is our PIR sensor. Cut off the male socket because it will be attached to the mini water pump later. Cut off at least 18 inches of the hose. Insert the hose to the water pump. Use zip ties to secure it in place. Now get the plastic container. Put a hole on the lid so that the hose and wire can pass through. Secure the assembly to the lid with some hot glue. These 3D printed parts are custom made to fit the container. Your design may vary depending on your container. Place the PIR sensor near the hole where the nozzle will be placed. Secure everything with hot glue. Insert the hose on the hole near the PIR sensor. It will serve as the nozzle of the dispenser. Connect the positive wire of the PIR sensor to the red wire of the pump and the negative wire to the black wire. Use some solder and heat shrink tubing for protection. Secure everything with hot glue. Cut the excess hose and we are ready for testing. Pour some alcohol into the container. Connect the power supply to the dispenser. The PIR sensor acts like a switch. If it detects motion, it will turn on the water pump. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Also, turn on your notification bell button for the latest updates.